Hello guys, welcome to the Ace of Estates. I'm Shantanu and today I'm going to talk to you about what is Rera and how it has made buying a property much safer. So what is Rera? So Rera stands for Real Estate Regulatory Authority and it was introduced in 2016 to protect the interests of the home buyers and also to bring about a standardization in the real estate sector. Apart from just promoting transparency, efficiency and effectiveness, Rera is also a completely paperless department which actually helped them work through the lockdown seamlessly.
अरे रेरा से आपको हमको क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है?
So I'll tell you the benefits of the Rera Act for property buyers. An established authority for grievance redressal. Any grievances against a developer can be taken up to the state authority set up under Rera, and in case you are dissatisfied with the order, you can file an appeal in the appellate tribunal who will redress your case within 60 days. The statistics show that there have been approximately 13,000 cases out of which 9,000 have been passed. So with such an established authority watching over, buying a home will never be safer. To reduce the risk of developer insolvency and bankruptcy. So usually a developer has multiple projects going on at the same time. So earlier what could happen is that the developer, whatever funds he raised from project A could be transferred and used for project B. However, this would not be possible now because after the coming in of Rera, it is compulsory for a developer to deposit 70% of the money raised from project A into a separate bank account, which the developer can only withdraw after the completion of the project, and that too after it has been certified by a civil engineer, an architect and a practicing chartered accountant. So earlier there have been cases where the developer has raised money from home buyers for the construction of project A but has used the money for absolutely different purposes and then later unfortunately became bankrupt and was not able to complete the construction of the property. So now the separate bank account ensures that the money being raised is solely being used for the timely completion of the project to protect the buyer from any defects after handing over possession. In case of any structural defects or defects in workmanship, quality, services or provisions is discovered, such defects will have to be rectified by the developer within 30 days at absolutely no extra cost. If the builder fails to do so, the buyer shall be entitled to claim compensation for the same. So this guarantees not only the perfect product but also the perfect mix of after-sales service in case there are any defects. To protect the rights of a buyer in case of delay in possession. So in the case where a developer fails to deliver the project on the promised due date, so then the buyer has an option to either withdraw from the project wherein they are entitled to a full refund along with the interest paid, or to continue the project where he is entitled to a compensation along with interest payable. To protect the rights of a buyer in case of false promises made by the developer. In case there is any mismatch in what the developer had promised compared to what the actual project is, the buyer has the option to withdraw from the project wherein he is entitled to the full refund of amount paid as advance or otherwise along with interest and claim compensation. So to summarize, buying a property has become much safer with the coming in of Rera because this reduces the risk of builder bankruptcy, elimination of defects, delays and false promises. So there has never been a safer time to buy a house. So in case you're considering, go now to your favorite developer and go purchase your dream house without any fear of fraud because Rera is there to help you. So for more information on Rera, do remember to visit the Rera website, and for more information on real estate, keep following us because we are the Ace of Estates.